recording me, Mochi.
Stop being psycho.
You better not be recording me. Stop, Mochi.
Depression starts now. See that red sign? That's the for sale sign.
Hey, Mochi, what are you doing? Stop talking about depression. So what? We're moving. So what? Don't. Mochi. Don't record me. Stop.
There's the backyard. There's an empty room. Here's the bathroom where I take a lot of dumps.
Oh my gosh. So ghetto.
Whatever. I like doing ghetto. You the ghetto one, you psycho. Here's my nasty bed. And here's the empty space. Ice cream truck. Yo, and then I also got the new Kathleen Lights palette. I want to make a video. Life is stressful. Life is depressing.
Oh my gosh.
Don't get older. Because homie got 2 jobs, got school, got all these personal stupid little issues. Someone could go ahead and kiss my butt. Because I'm tired of dealing with all the BS that I deal with, all right? You hear me? Okay, I'm glad you're listening. I'm glad I got your attention. Ugly acne, you see all this? This is what you call stressed out and disgusting. I am so hideous.
You showing that on camera?
Yeah, they could clearly see it. They already see it. We're moving out. And I can't wait to move out on my own and get the heck away from everyone. Yo, baby. Yo, baby. Oh, leave my hair. Look at my hair. Lucky in my hair. Just ready to be done and make bank, make money, do what I love. And hopefully YouTube could just be my career, so I'm chilling, living the life, and making beautiful content for all of you. I was just reminiscing right now. I kind of forgot to start recording when I was going through stuff, but man, this is a size small, and I used to wear it in high school. Favorite show. Like, to this day, my favorite show. And I just wish it would fit me. It's a size small. Like, homie, this don't fit me. It's mad tight. I just keep it because it is such a gorgeous shirt. Man, I freaking love Courage. Here's a 2nd grade picture of me. This is last year's birthday with my boyfriend, my brother, and Vanessa. That's his girl. And this is me in 1st grade. That fake smile. Look at that fake smile. So gross. It's me in kindergarten. 5 years old. I bought this plaque my senior year. This is when I had my braces. When I graduated. I find this plaque beautiful. Like, bam, celebration. I graduated. This is beautiful, man. I'm happy that I have this. I actually bought this. Class of 2015. This Rapunzel baby is so cute. Rapunzel. This is also more stuffed animals my boyfriend got me. We both worked at Winn-Dixie together. My mama got me this for Valentine's Day. My baby shoes. Oh my god, look at my baby shoes. Seriously, from the 90s. From the 90s. Cute. And I also have like a little baby outfit. My favorite perfume ever. The only perfume. Like, I smelled all these high-end perfumes from Ulta. Do not like them, but this perfume, oh, any day. Pure Seduction from Victoria's Secret. So good. I just hate that it doesn't stay on me.
Hey, get over here.
Take care of our little puppy baby. And this is the food that Lucky Drews eats.
How many?
Dang, they $4 each?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The price went up.
And now I live right there. Time to go up the stairs. is what my life is gonna be like until I move the heck out in a nice starting out condo with my boyfriend, and then we're gonna get our dream home. This is exactly what my life is gonna be like. Hopefully 2 months max, and then I'm on my own. Ooh, a dark park. That's what you call a dark park? What the heck is that? Alright, time to go to my other home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell your friend to subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.